Today, we're diving into the areas that are really shaping this stadium. From the towering compression ring pillars to the north goal seating coming together, and the zones where massive installations are now underway. This is where structure meets spectacle, and every step brings the stadium closer to its final form. Stick around, because you won't want to miss a single moment of this progress. So, let's jump straight in and see every incredible detail coming to life. The compression ring system continues to take shape, with 2 pillars already installed and additional massive structural elements now staged near the corner area. These components are significantly larger than earlier deliveries, indicating that the next phase of compression ring assembly is approaching. The presence of both installed pillars and staged elements confirms steady progress toward completing this critical structural system. On the 3rd tier, prefabricated seating sections are actively being delivered and positioned. Multiple seating units have already been placed, and additional sections are being transported into the structure for installation. This confirms that the upper-level spectator areas are now transitioning from structural work into layout and capacity development, bringing the stadium closer to its final seating configuration. The Tribune area shows continued interior progress, particularly around escalators, where active work is underway. Rock wool insulation has now been fully installed across the upper interior zones, closing previously open sections. These developments indicate that the Tribune is moving from structural completion into system installation and finishing stages. In the north goal, a key development is now visible with the start of lama support installation in the central section. The first supports have already been fixed, and additional ones are being aligned, confirming that this area is officially entering the facade preparation phase. At the same time, large quantities of prefabricated seating units continue to arrive and are being positioned inside the structure, showing steady progress in closing the seating bowl while parallel work advances on the exterior systems. The lateral zone remains highly active and continues to function as a major material staging area. A crane is positioned nearby, and multiple steel structures are prepared for lifting. The density of materials in this area confirms that further installations are planned in the short term. At the parking ramp, formwork removal is nearing completion. Most wooden panels have already been taken down from the retaining walls, confirming that the concrete structure is fully set. Only a small remaining section is still being cleared, after which this ramp will be structurally complete and ready for final finishing works. In the corner zone, elevated platforms are actively being used to install remaining anchors. The majority of anchor points are already in place, with only minor gaps still visible in the mid and lower sections. This preparation work indicates that the corner area is approaching readiness for lama installation, following the same sequence already seen in the lateral zone. At the diamond zone, excavation activity has resumed along the front section, marking the return of progress after a period of inactivity. Cranes are positioned to move materials, and newly delivered prefabricated seating units have been lifted and temporarily stored on the cantilever. This confirms that new construction phases are now underway in this area. The stadium's construction continues to advance steadily. Major installations and finishing works are now happening side by side, showing clear movement from structural development toward completion. With each phase moving forward, the project is steadily taking its final shape. If you're enjoying these detailed construction updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future progress reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.